Optimizing scan performance in Tenable is essential if you're looking to get the most accurate and efficient results without running into issues. In this video, I'm going to show you the best practices and key strategies to maximize your Tenable scan performance, and you'll want to stick around till the end because I'll reveal an exclusive bonus that can help you take full advantage of Tenable's features. Now, Tenable is a powerful tool for vulnerability management, but without proper optimization, scans can take too long and cause strain on system resources. Let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is fine-tune your scan settings. In Tenable, there are various scan profiles, and each has different settings that can affect scan performance. For example, reducing the number of plugins you use can help speed things up. If you're only interested in certain vulnerabilities, focus on those plugins to make your scans more targeted and faster. Next thing to focus on is the scanning schedule. Running scans during peak hours can slow down your network and systems. A good practice is to schedule scans during off-peak hours, especially for large networks or environments with many assets. This can help ensure that scans don't interfere with other crucial activities. The third thing is to check your scan targets. When scanning large networks, make sure you're only scanning the devices or subnets that need it. If you try to scan the entire network every time, the performance can suffer. Use asset lists to define your targets more precisely, avoiding unnecessary scans of devices that don't need vulnerability assessments. Now, the fourth thing you need to pay attention to is the scan's concurrency settings. By adjusting the number of concurrent checks Tenable runs, you can significantly improve your scan speed. However, keep in mind that increasing concurrency can put a strain on network resources, so you'll need to find a balance based on your environment. The fifth thing is to optimize your network configuration. Ensure that the network infrastructure and resources supporting Tenable are not bottlenecks. Slow network connections or insufficient bandwidth can affect scan speeds. Make sure your Tenable scanners are positioned appropriately within your network, preferably close to the target systems, to minimize latency and improve overall performance. Lastly, don't forget about continuous updates. Tenable regularly releases updates that improve scan performance, and applying these updates ensures you're taking advantage of the latest optimizations and bug fixes. Keeping Tenable up to date can have a significant impact on both scan speed and accuracy. To summarize, optimizing scan performance in Tenable is all about being strategic with your scan settings, targets, and scheduling. Adjusting concurrency, network configurations, and staying up to date can make a huge difference in how quickly and efficiently Tenable works for you. As a bonus, I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you're looking to get started with Tenable or want to optimize your current setup, you can use the software completely free from the first link below, along with some extra bonuses. Don't miss out on this offer. It's available for a limited time only. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you make the most of your Tenable scans. If you found this video helpful, check the description below for that exclusive extended free trial.